Hey Tim, hey Brian, hey Trevor. It's me. Just sending a little video to say hello. I'm in Salta, Argentina, in the northwest part of Argentina. I'm here through the weekend, and then Monday or Tuesday, my friend Anna is arriving tonight, and then Monday or Tuesday we'll head down to Patagonia. We're going to make our way 2 to 3 weeks, take 2 to 3 weeks to get down there, and then I'll be down in the south, which is supposed to be absolutely gorgeous. Maybe I can make another video and send it when I get there. But for now, this is me. This is my hostel. Let's see. There's nobody here right now. It's the middle of the day. This is just the outside patio. There's an inside patio that's really cool with hammocks and things. In fact, why don't we go in there? You won't be able to see me very well, but hold on. This is the kitchen. Very big kitchen, which I like. We keep going. And this is the front area, the hammocks and things, which is very comfortable to hang out. Sometimes too comfortable, especially after a night out. This is not my room, but here's one of the rooms, so you get an idea. Bunk beds. Trevor, have you ever stayed in a bunk bed? It's fun. All right, anyway, yeah, it's too bright here. So I just want to say hello. Love you guys. Hopefully talk to you soon. Bye.